Before buying a home, you need to wrestle with these two things, your budget and your non-negotiables. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams. And when we have a buyer consult, these are questions we talk about because your pre-approval doesn't necessarily match the price that you want to purchase a home for so that you can still live your life the way you want to live your life. So first, your budget. Don't just play with online calculators or guess what you can afford. Sit down with a reputable bank or mortgage lender, which we are happy to refer you to, and make sure you get pre-approved. A pre-approval letter will actually strengthen your offer too. In fact, often sellers won't even consider a contract if you don't have the pre-approval letter to go with it. Second of all, what are your non-negotiables? What features in a home must you have? What do you need to stay within a location for schools? Does there need to be a fence for a dog, a guest room for grandma? Type up your negotiables of what must and what are dreams. Then also consider what is our lifestyle that we want to maintain when we own this home. Those are also included as non-negotiables you won't want to give up based on the price of the home that you want to purchase. Now, one more thing. As you shop, make sure you heavily weigh the home's lot, location, and price. After the ink dries, you'll never be able to change those three things. I'd love to help you find a home that checks all those boxes. Send us a text today and we'll be in touch.